Hi. Welcome back to our channel Real Swagga, where we answer all your questions about reselling online, in platforms such as eBay, Poshmark and Mercari. So if you have any question, leave it in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification button to see all our videos. Today's question is: how to stop a blocked buyer on eBay from sending you messages. A seller on eBay can block a buyer from purchasing an item, simply by adding their username to a list of blocked buyers. By doing so, the buyer will not be able to place a bid, or purchase any item in the seller's store, but will still be able to contact the seller. To stop a blocked buyer on eBay from sending you messages, follow these simple steps. 1. Log in to your eBay account. 2. Click Account Settings. 3. Select Selling Preferences. 4. Under your buyers, edit blocked buyer list. 5. Click Don't allow blocked buyers to contact me. 'By doing this, the blocked buyer won't see the Contact Seller button on your questions and answers page, and won't be able to send you messages anymore. I hope I answered your question. If I did, please like the video to allow more online sellers in our community to see it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all your questions about selling on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari answered. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.